All right, in this lesson, let's add and subtract radical expressions. First of all, a warm-up, so pause the video and work these two problems, then come back and check your answer. Of course, we know about foiling and then combining like terms. Easy warm-up today, huh? Very good. Like radicals, they are radical expressions that have the same index and the same radicand. That's very important. A lot of students pick up on the index, but they fail to see that the radicands are not alike. So they'll make mistakes there. And then rationalizing the denominator of a binomial is when we multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the conjugate of the denominator. This is a familiar word for when we were working with complex numbers, right? Add or subtract if possible. Well, this one we're looking at adding. Notice that the index is the same and the radicand is the same. So let's work left to right, just like in PEMDAS. 3 plus 7 is 10, square root of xy. Okay, look at this one. We are subtracting. Same index. Look at the radicand though. We have an x and a 3x. So they have different radicands, so we cannot subtract. Looking at this one, it looks like none of the radicands are the same. How about let's simplify these radicands? This is a perfect square 4 times 5, 9 times 5, and 16 times 5. So they all have a factor of a perfect square. So we pull out 2, 3, and 4. Remember, when you pull whatever you pull out, you have to multiply by whatever is already existing outside the radical. When we simplify, 6 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5 plus 16 square root of 5. Working left to right, 6 minus 3 is 3, plus 16 is 19 square root of 5. Here we are multiplying these two. So let's use FOIL to multiply them out. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 square root of 3 is negative 10 square root of 3. Times 1 is 4 square root of 3. And this is negative 20 times square root of 3 squared. Start to simplify. A negative 10 plus 4 is a negative 6. And we can pull a 3 out from under the radical here. So 20 times 3 would give us 60. Again, we've got some like terms. 2 minus 60 is negative 58 minus 6 square root of 3. Oh, we need to rationalize the denominator. So we have 4 plus the square root of 3 in our denominator, which means we're going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. We do that because it eliminates the middle term. Notice these two middle terms will zero out. Now let's start simplifying. Negative 2 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3. Square root of 3 squared is 3, so we have some more like terms here. 8 plus 3 is 11, minus 6 square root of 3 over 16 minus 3, which is 13. Very good. You're ready to begin working on your assignment.